Hi there, welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the first thing you need to do when you have your books uploaded on Amazon KDP. I figured out that a lot of people are buying the Amazon KDP courses and it's selling so much on the internet, and these people are buying these courses without knowing what to do on Amazon. They feel it's just by creating these books and putting them up on Amazon. Now there's a lot of competition on the marketplace. Okay, millions of authors are writing and thousands are writing on that same topic you're planning to write about from today. So you have to do something. There has to be a sort of extra effort from you for you to be able to stand out, or for you to get your books to the faces of the customers that are going to be coming up on Amazon. Customers that come up on Amazon on a daily basis looking for the topics that you're writing about. Okay, so there has to be an extra effort coming from your own side, right? Something that sets you out of the crowd. So this is what I'm going to be letting you know in this video. The first thing you need to do when you have your books uploaded on Amazon KDP. So a lot of people, if you ask some people right now, it's funny to know that the only thing in their mind is, for this Christmas season, I'll create 5 Christmas coloring books with the same material but different covers as a smart move, and I'll run ads for it and I'll make sales and I'll hit my financial goal. I mean, it doesn't work like that, right? There's so many processes, there are so many things that are involved. The way you promote a low content book would not be the same way you promote an ebook, right? Just like opening a Facebook page today, right? You can't just open a Facebook page today and you want to run ads today, you want to make sales today. I mean, it doesn't work like that, right? So this video will be really helpful to you if you want to make sales for your book on Amazon KDP. So feel free to stick to the end. Now before I go over to the main topic for this video, feel free to like this video. Feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because in this channel I'll be showing you so many things that you want to know, especially if you're an online entrepreneur and you have the passion for making money online, right? With your Android phone and just an internet connection, then this YouTube channel is for you. Now, I have an ebook on making sales on Amazon KDP. It's called Amazon KDP Advanced. Right, in that ebook, you will learn how to make payments on Amazon or Amazon ads, how to run Amazon ads, how to receive your payments, even as an Amazon associate, criteria for making sales on Amazon. In my ebook, you will learn that too. In my ebook, you will learn how to run ads with low budget and high budget. You would also learn how to get thousands of downloads for your ebooks. So many other things are involved, right? So click the link in my description if you want to get that ebook from my seller store. So going over to the topic for this video, first thing you need to do when you have your book uploaded on Amazon, you're just starting on this platform. Okay, probably you have one Christmas coloring book, or you have 10 Christmas coloring books. Christmas coloring books that people like me and my students have been creating since the beginning of the year. I mean, there has to be a little effort from you for you to be able to get your books pushed out on the marketplace, so that when people come onto the marketplace looking for that topic you're writing about, Amazon would put your books to their faces. That's the idea. You're looking for people's attention right now because you're new on the marketplace. The first thing is their attention, right? If your book is attractive enough and people are viewing your book, you have more eyes on your book, Amazon will organically project your book. Even if they're not buying, the fact that they're just looking at it, they're just clicking on it, probably they got to the point where they wanted to buy and want to put them up, or probably your name or your address or one thing or the other, put them up. For the fact that they are viewing your book, Amazon will keep pushing out your book. So a lot of things are involved in Amazon KDP platform. How attractive your book is, the reviews you have, your keywords. Always keep it simple. Like, I was talking to someone last month and I was asking her the topic she wants to write about, and man, the topic was too long. Always keep it simple. Always try as much as possible to keep it simple. Okay, maybe in another video I'll be letting you know how to get keywords for your book. It's very, very important, because just a wrong keyword can make you not to sell a book with the very interesting content that people really need, but because of the keyword, they can't find your books, and it's just, they can't find your book and it's just hidden there somewhere. You want to know, the first thing you need to do when you have your book on Amazon KDP, and that is to get reviews. You need reviews for your book. When people come onto Amazon KDP and they want books, one of the things they're going on to is your reviews. Even if your book is not even so attractive, the fact that it has reviews. So the first thing you need to be doing on Amazon right now, maybe you have 10 books or you have 20 books and you're not making sales, you need reviews. Pick one or two of those books, give it out to people for free. Give it out to people for, if it's an ebook, enroll your ebook to KDP Select and run free book promotions. If you don't know how to run free book promotions, then get my ebook. My ebook will also let you know how to enroll and how to disengage from KDP Select, right? Amazon KDP Advanced will teach you all of this. When you do this, people can read your book for free and they can give you reviews in exchange. Keep in mind that if you want to get 10 reviews, you're going to have to reach out to 100 people, because some people will get that book for free, use your book for free, and still not give you the reviews. It's heartbreaking to know, but it's true. It's not very easy to get reviews from people, even if it's your family member. It's just not easy. I don't know why. Just how good human beings are. They don't have time. They don't always have time to support people when they are new on a particular platform. So make sure that you reach out to as many people as possible, right? If you want 20 reviews, you're going to need to reach out to so many other people, right? So for people who get your books for free, but they still won't give you the review, don't feel bad. It's just the way human beings are, right? So just in case you know this now and you're watching this video, please, if someone has given you their book and they want a review in exchange, give them that review. It doesn't take anything. It's just you going over to the platform and commenting on their book, giving them honest reviews on what you think about the book. If there's a correction, of course you can correct them and they will learn from it, and it's just the way we can help each other to grow, right? So the first thing you need is to get reviews. If it's an ebook, run free book promotions for it. If it's a low content book, give it out for free. Just something that will get people to give you honest reviews. This is something that can improve your ranking on Amazon. This is something that can improve the sales you do. More ranking is more sales. So keep that in mind. So the first thing you need to do when you come on Amazon is to get reviews. So in my ebook, don't forget, you will learn 5 criteria to make sales on Amazon KDP. How to run ads, how to upload your book on KDP Select. So many other things that you would want to know. So feel free to get my ebook now that it's on a Black Friday promo, okay? Click the link in my description and get my ebook for yourself. Thank you.